Alright, so Gilipers ngayong hapon, pag-usapan natin about leadership and management naman. So sa lahat ng mga leaders dyan, whether you are department head, unit head, line supervisor, basta may hawak kang tao kahit ilan. So this vlog is for you. Sa mga company, sa mga government agencies, or sa mga networking companies, or even in your own business. Kung ikaw din ang nagmamanage, ikaw ang leader, so this vlog is for you. So pag-usapan natin ngayon, ano ba yung role mo talaga at paano ma-execute yan para mas maging maunlad ang yung company. Okay? Let's go! Let's go! This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Magpatalo Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng Gilipers natin. And Mr. Person po tayo panood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-coach kayo, or if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, or you want to join the lineup of investors na Rockstar Holding Corporation, NSPAR, IT Solution Company po yan, na partner natin, and Rockstar Beauty. And if you want to franchise sa ating first ever lechon manok, Rockstar Manok, so just PM nyo lang ako sa personal level, okay? Alright, so tuloy natin yung vlog natin kanina. So sinabi ko na nga po sa inyo, diba, ang role ng isang leader. So if you are a leader, so ito lang structure, gusto kong pakita sa iyo ha. So pag ikaw yung leader, you are standing. Alright? Standing between two groups of people. One, these are your big boss. So isa, dalawa, tatlo siguro yan. So big boss. Alright? And between, mataas, hindi makita. Hindi natin makita. Pakita natin. Baba natin, okay? So, yan. So, these are the big boss. Alright. And between, ito, mga madami, empleyado. Damihan natin, mga maliit na tao. Drawing. Alright? Big boss and the employees. So, you have a very crucial role. Alright? So, to convey two types of messages. Alright? So, one message coming from your boss. Alright? So, ito yung normally, unang-unang role mo. Alright? If you are standing between your boss, the big boss, and the employees, is to convey, alright? Or to explain what is the vision, what is the mission, and the objectives of your company. Minsan nalilimutan natin yan eh. So, you have to execute. Kahit hindi sabihin sa'yo everyday, in your everyday transaction, dealing with your employees, kailangan nakapaloob dapat lagi yun, yung vision. What is the vision of your company? What is the vision of your government, of the government agency? What is the vision of your organization? Alright? So, kailangan lagi everyday nakikita yan. Diba? So, everyday nararamdaman nila, kasi ito yung vision namin eh. Ito kasi objective namin. Ito yung vision namin. So, like, as you know po, galing tayo sa private school. So, ang aming one of the visions, yung line namin, to develop students who are lifelong learners. So, hindi ko malilimutan niya kasi kinakabisa namin vision namin eh. So, by the way, kung ikaw ay leader, dapat kabisado mong vision. Alright? So, alam mo ang vision ng iyong company. Alam mo ang vision ng agency na yan na pinapasukan mo everyday. It's important that you understand the vision. Alright? So, kaya yung vision namin na yun, to develop lifelong learners, alam ko lagi yun, alam namin yun. Once it was explained to us by the management, so that time po kasi I was the principal, so, and the Dean of Academic Affairs, dapat nararamdaman yun from me, mula doon sa boss, to me, hanggang doon sa teachers namin, mga students namin, and even to our parents. Kaya lagi kami may mga activities, reading materials for our students din. Kasi lifelong learners. We want to inculcate reading culture, reading habits sa mga estudyante namin. Because that's our vision. So you as a leader, dapat, since you are standing in between of these two groups of people, naiintindihan mo yung vision, agree ka sa vision, by heart, alam mo, this is our vision. Kaya pag nakapag-usap ko sa mga empleyado, wow, that's our vision. Okay? So, to deliver quality service. That's your mission, values, do it. Alright? So, that is your first role. Conveying the vision, and also conveying the events, activities, programs, plans of your company. Hindi po madali to stand between these two groups of people. Okay? So make sure na iintindihan mo. Kasi pag di mo naiintindihan, paano execute, di ba? Paano mo papakita, i-explain sa mga tao. Ikaw mismo naiintindihan mo siya, you absorb it. Okay? Alright? So, second role mo, from here also, you are also conveying message. So, mula dito, nagsasabi ka din ng message, going there to the big boss. So, kasi yung empleyado, may mensahe din niya papunta sa boss. At hindi naman sila araw-araw nakakapagkita sa president, sa CEO, sa COO, sa finance. Hindi rin nila nakikipag-usap lagi sa strategies, sa CFO. So, hindi everyday may ganun transaction. So, kanino nila padadaanin sa'yo as a leader? So, nandiyan na yung mga complaints, di ba? At si boss, gano'n, ang hirap naman ang ginagawa natin, ang haba ng vision natin. Ang haba ng vision natin. Lagi na lang ba tayong ganito? Ang dami nating events. So, because of this role, okay, these two messages na binabalik mo, kinukuha mo, pinapasa sa kanila, then may kukuha ka naman, papasa mo dito. So, dito na nangyayari, nagaganap, kapatid, ang stress, tension, pressure sa mga leaders. I feel you, kung nakakaramdam ka na ng pressure, nakakaramdam ka ngayon ng stress sa buhay mo. I've been a leader for how many years? So, from the management, binababa ko sa mga teachers, students, parents namin, and other stakeholders sa aming school. So, same way, yung mga sinasabi ng parents, sinasabi din natin sa management. So, ending, pag hindi mo na-balance, hindi mo na-perform role mo, ikaw na ngayon, hindi ka na makatulog. Ikaw na hindi makakain, ikaw na yung puyat. So, anong gagawin ko, Doc, kung ganyan situation? So, eto yung papakita natin. Eto yung gagawin natin. Alright, so eto yung gagawin natin. So, if you are in this scenario, okay, so ganito. Ang gagawin mo, kapatid, ganito po. It's your number one responsibility to take care of your well-being in all aspects. So as a leader, ang responsibility mo ngayon is to make sure, is to take care of your well-being in all aspects. Yan ang responsibility mo ngayon as a leader. Dapat i-check mo lagi sarili mo, mentally, emotionally, physically, okay ka ba as a leader? Kanina I had a meeting with Sir Harold. Maaga kami nag-meeting ni Sir, mga alaw na madaling araw. Nag-uusap kami, so pinag-usapan namin yung aspect ng emotional intelligence as a leader. Dapat mataas yan yung EQ natin. Di ba sabi nga sa previous slide ko, dapat walang drama sa isang organization. So as a leader, hindi ka dapat iyakin, hindi ka dapat maramdamin. It's okay to cry, walang problema. Ako nga po, minsan umiiyak eh. Di ba? So it's okay lang yan, pero dapat huwag tayo magbago masyadong matagal. Okay? So, manage your well-being in all aspects. Check your spiritual life. Okay ka ba? Kasi pag okay ka spiritually, susunod na lahat yan, magiging okay yan. One time, meron kami discussion when I was still in the academy. Pinag-uusapan namin, yung mga masasayang leaders. Alam mo yung masasayang leaders, kaya yan masaya kasi masaya sa bahay. So, make sure your family is okay. Dapat okay ka sa family, kaya pagpasok mo, dapat okay ka din. Masaya ka din. Meron kami bagong employee, itago natin sa pangalang Paulo. Alam niya, napaka-ayos niya. Kahit lahat sila maayos. Pero isang araw, tininan ko siya, sabi ko kay Ma'am Jen, executive manager, si Paulo siguro galing sa masaya, maayos na pamilya. Ay, oo naman, Doc, sabi niya. Bakit mo nasabi, Doc? Kasi tinan mo, mula sa pananamit, maayos siya. Maayos ang kanyang pananamit, masaya siya, organized, pagdating niya, ready to work. So, ibig sabihin kasi, maayos yung pinanggalingan yung family. So, ganun din tayo sa leader. Ayusin ang pamilya, okay, as a leader. Because it will be manifested sa everyday transaction mo pag hindi ka masaya. Di ba? Okay? So, taasan ng EQ. Maging physically, ayusin. Kaya ako, alam nyo, nag-aayos ako ngayon physically. Ang dami kong vitamins. Ang dami kong, ang tawag dito, mag-yoga pa daw ako. So, everything gagawin namin para mapalas ka naman dito. Okay? So, second, yun. So, second natin na dapat mong gawin, aside from being, that's your responsibility to make sure you're okay in all aspects. Second, make sure you are standing on neutral ground. By neutral ground, eto, ibig sabihin, dinawin lang natin kasi ganito po, as a leader, lagi ka kakampi ka na ganito ka as a leader. You are standing in behalf of the company. Okay? So, syempre, concern ka din naman sa mga employees mo, sa mga subordinates mo, concern na concern ka dyan. Pero dapat lagi mong sinasabi, what is the stand of the company? Why? What is the reason? Di ba lalo na pag marami nagre-resist? Alam mo pag marami nagre-resist na empleyado, hindi naman talaga sa ayaw nila yan. Hindi lang nila maintindihan bakit. Kaya kung nahihirapan ka as a leader para supportaan yung event, activity, program ng company, you have to explain the reason, the why. For example, bakit tayo mag-extend ng 30 minutes every day? O bakit natin papalitan yung time nyo? You have to explain kasi this is what we want to do, we want to produce this output. Pag naiintindihan nila yan, I'm telling you, lahat yan susunod. Kaya lang di sila sumusunod, hindi nila naiintindihan ng reason. You have to explain, kaya kailangan mag-zero time, patsaka din po tayo. Okay? So, stand in the neutral ground. So, that means binabalansin natin in some areas. So, for example, you need to win people. You need to win your employees. Okay? And at the same time, you have to be loyal to your boss. Hindi po madali yan, but that's a skill. Skill yan na everyday gawin natin. So, explain to the people and also explain something to the management. Okay? In behalf of the employees. Right? Dalawa kasi ang binabalansin mo as a leader. Tandaan yan. So, stand on the neutral ground, but make sure you are also standing on behalf of the company. Okay? Next, number 3. Number 3, as a leader, para mapaglabanan mo ang mga stress, tension, para mag-execute ang vision ng iyong company is, you need to welcome or look for new people. For example, 3 years na, 5 years na, hindi kayo nagpapalit ng empleyado, o hindi kayo nag-hire ng bago, sabihin mo sa HR, mag-hire ka ng isa. Because you have to welcome, or you need to, it must be intentional to have new employees. We need new blood. You need new blood in your company, new minds. Then mo madidiscover yung mga empleyadong superstar. Alam mo, dapat sa isang organization, meron kang isang superstar. Meron kang member, employee, subordinate, isang superstar. Okay? Kailangan ma-discover mo yon. Kung wala ka talagang makita niya sa paligid, sabi mo sa president, sabi mo sa CEO, sa business owner, mag-hire na po tayo ng isa. Tapos, ispatan mo na agad. Eto, magaling to, superstar. Huwag kang matakot na mas magaling siya sa'yo. Magpasalamat ka, mas magaling siya sa'yo. Okay? So that's one, alright? And last, number 4, para hindi ka masyadong nai-stress, para meron din nag-explain in your behalf, may nagme-mentor din sa ibang tao, you need to duplicate yourself. Duplicate yourself. Kung gaano ka ka-passionate sa trabaho mo, kung gaano mo kamahal yung vision nyo, kung paano pinahalagaan yung mission, yung objective ng yung company, dapat ma-duplicate mo yan in your other employees, in your other subordinates. At least maka-spot ka ng mga leaders. Okay? So, ito, kaya ako nagpunta po dito. Ito, discuss ko lang sa inyo sa IMG namin. So, alam nyo naman, as I'm a member of IMG, and may mga leaders ako. Okay? So, identified ko agad kung sino mga leaders ko. So, in your organization, if you are a leader, mag-identify ka ng mga leaders kahit hindi announce, ito, leader to. Di ba may mga ganong empleyado sinusunod sila ng tao? Napansin nyo yun? Meron mga empleyado hindi sumusunod sa department head, pero sumusunod sa office mate niya. May mga leader-lideran, ispatan mo yon. Ito, leader. Di ba? Okay. So, ito, may mga leaders ako sa IMG. Ito, leader talaga. So, ito talaga yung taga-execute ko. Sila yung pinili kong ma-duplicate. So, merong 7 Doc Gigi na nag-explain. Okay? So, ito yan sila. Ma'am Lani, Sir Chris, Ma'am Daisy, Ma'am Anthony, Ma'am Victoria, Ma'am Kat, and Ma'am Joyce. So, mga leaders ko yan sa IMG Rockstar. Duplication. Because I cannot explain everything. Imagine mo, may git 100 kami. Kung may git 100 po yan ang members sa IMG Rockstar team. Ibig sabihin po, pag may tanong yan, 100 beses ko silang sasagutin. Saan ako kuha ng time? Saan ako kuha ng energy? Ikaw din as a leader, kung lahat na yan 100 ng tao mo, 100 magtatanong, saan ako kuha ng time? Gusto mo, pero wala ka ng time. At saan ka kukuha ng lakas ng katawan? Saan ako kukuha ng lakas ng katawan? My body is weak, delivers. Hindi ko alam kung paano tayo tataba eh. So, kulang na tayo ng kulang tayo ng taba pa ng konti. Kaya nag-duplicate po ako. So, duplicate yourself in your organization. Lalo sa mga networking. Ayan po ang policy sa networking. You need to duplicate yourself. Ikaw leader, kailangan magkaroon ka ng leader. Or kailangan there is someone who also understand what you understand. Alright? Okay, so, yan. So, paano mo sila magiging duplicate, Doc G? Ito, magagamit natin to as sa mga, sa mga networking, or even networking where you nasa sales ka, o kaya even nasa government or private companies, agencies, okay? So, you need to give time sa kanila. pagtuunan mo ng pansin, mag-train ka, mag-mentor. Sa academy po, nagkaroon kami ng time to mentor teachers. Mag-mentor ka para maging mentor siya. One-on-one, pagtsagaan. Kung that time, meron po akong, madami yung tayong hawak na teachers that time. No? Pero syempre, may mga coordinators naman po ako. But I make sure na may nakakausap tayo kahit 2 teachers, 3 teachers a day. Okay? And unti-unti, na-discover ko, pwede siyang leader. So, i-train mo siya as a leader. So, you need time for that. As a leader, yung time mo, inahati-hati mo din yan. So, sa work and in mentoring. Dapat meron kang at least 1 hour a week, 2 hours a week for your mentoring. Then, make them learn also. Turuan. What is the strategy? Ano yung mga dapat na attitude ng isang leader? Alam nyo, ganito po kasi, sa leadership, merong mga attitude na hindi natuturo sa school. Na natututunan lang natin yan pag isinalang na tayo dyan sa position. Okay? Then, let them apply, share. But may earn dyan, do? Kasi nga, ito yan sa IMD. So, ito yung, may motivation kasi dapat. When you are training people to be leaders, dapat may motivation. For example, sa IMD team, money can be a motivation. Di ba? Motivation mo naman yan eh. Promotion can be a motivation. Okay? Sabi mo sa kanila, so, tinan mo sa sarili mo, 3 years from now, who knows, you can be promoted. You target for that. Pag meron kang tinitrain. Diba? So, mahalaga po, maturo natin to, then, this is the process of duplicating yourself. This will make your life easy as a leader. Alright? So, Universe, yan po ang ating 4 tips kung paano natin ma-handle lahat ng stress as a leader sa ating organization. Para pagdating ng alas 5, alas 6, alas 7, pag-uwi mo, masaya ka pa rin. Okay? Kung masaya kang pumasok, kailangan masaya kang lumabas sa iyong organization. Sa lahat ng mga leaders ng networking company, leaders ng private company, leaders ng government agencies, tandaan natin, pag umaga, kung masaya kang pumasok, dapat paglabas mo, masaya ka pa rin. Okay? Because you were able to manage to handle challenges, issues, stress, tension, and pressure because of your role as a leader. Okay? So, sana nakatulong ang vlog na to para sa inyong lahat. Okay? So, pwede kayo mag-comment, magdagdag ng mga suggestions and tips. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat na ibigay natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago tumula nating buhay. Thank you very much, believers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go.